I have something really cool to show you today. Latest Adobe Photoshop version has a new feature called Find Distractions, and it's a fantastic new tool where it's able to identify distractions in your images, such as wires and people, and quickly remove them using the power of AI. I tested this with a AI art, AI image here, full of power lines on a picture. There's tons. I wanted to really stress test this. And when you go to the remover tool, there is now a button called Find Distractions, and you can select one for like power lines. Once you select that, it will take a few seconds to analyze the photo and find all those specific power lines to immediately remove. Another option here is to find people, because people can be distractions too. Say you got a great shot of yourself, and in the background or in the foreground there's just a lot of people there and you want them gone because maybe you want the photo to be a bit more special, you want it to look like it's just you there. You can select the same tool, go find distractions and select people, give it a second to identify all the people in the clip, and you can just click it to say yep, confirm, get rid of them, and they will soon be gone. Important to say is that this tool is like a tool in a much longer process. So even though you may remove the power lines and the people, there may still be some issues in the image. So for example, with this image here where I removed the people, you can see that there's some artifacts in there and some blurs that just shouldn't be there. And this is when you can start using other tools such as Gen Fill and Gen Remove, which are also built into Photoshop to remove those kind of random artifacts that shouldn't be there and reprompt it so it looks a little bit better. And to do this, you just want to grab a selection box over that, hit generative fill and type in something. In this case, I put in like an empty bridge or an empty space on a bridge, and go and select the best option to give your image the best effect possible. A really cool feature. I hope Adobe keep adding more different distractions and stuff in there, because I think it's just a really, really quick, easy tool to mask out stuff that you don't need, and it just saves so much time.